welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, guys? It's the homie Bigg Vic, and we are back in here with another video. And today I'm going to be doing the giveaway of the signature R&B plugin. Y'all already seen a video on it. Y'all already seen me cook up using the signature R&B plugin. Y'all know it's official. If you don't have it, now is your chance to get it. So in order to get this plugin, basically this is all that I need you to do. Smash that like button and drop a comment below. So I'm gonna be selecting a random comment, and that person that wins is going to get a free version of signature R&B plugin. We're gonna give it to you. So I was able to reach out to the producers, producerrb.com, and they said, yo, let's do it. Let's give one away to one of your subscribers. So I was able to flex with the juice card, y'all. It worked. I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all again why this plugin is official tissue and why you need to have it if you don't already own it. So if you already own a plugin and you just happen to randomly win and you're selected, please let me know down below in the comments if you already own this plugin, so that way if your name comes up, I can basically redo it and give it to someone who doesn't already own the plugin. Make sense? Cool. All right, so I jumped back into R&B plugin, the signature R&B plugin, and I paired it up with the Scales and Chords player within reason to just kind of come up with something really quickly, just to demonstrate the power of using this plugin once again. So here's the first instrument I use. If you can take a look here, you'll see I'm in G flat, the Dorian scale. Let's play this instrument. Throw these headphones on. So you remember when I was going through the plugin, I was like just hearing just so many beautiful instruments that resonated to my ear. It was just like an eargasm. And I said, I'm going to be making some incredible production using this plugin, like straight out the gate. So here's this instrument. This particular instrument this came out of the pads, and this is the Very Soft Emotion pad. Now I really could have gave this some more movement by clicking this movement button here. But I didn't for this track. So let's keep it like it is and go to the next instrument. Let's see, the next instrument I used was a Pixie. And this was in my plucks. So a pretty slick feature within the Scales and Chords player is this filter notes here. So within this filter notes, this is only going to allow me to play notes that are within that scale. So I can't I can't hit a wrong key within that scale and play something that's out of key for my production or within that scale. So that's a pretty, I like that feature, filter notes. Shout out to Seth Nitty, because I seen him messing around with that filter notes, and I never even played around with it like that, but as long as I've been using Reason, right? Anyway, that was that instrument. Next instrument I pulled up was, I believe this is a bass. I used this is the lead. I added this lead in here just for my chorus portion of this track. So after that, I went inside of the plugin and I believe I grabbed a bass. Let's see. Yep. This is called Ridiculous Bass, which it actually is a ridiculous bass. So let's bring that bass in. And my final instrument was keys. I just played some keys over it just to give it sprinkle a little more highlights on the track. It would help if I hit unsolo that. Let's play that. All right, so y'all know we got to go ahead and bring the drums in, right? So let's go ahead and drop it. So guys, as you can see, the plugin is still official. I feel like this plugin is the truth. Some of you guys already own it. You guys know this plugin is the truth. You probably need to, wipe the dust off of it, pull it back up, start using it again. If you're digging the track, man, make sure you drop your comments below. This plugin can definitely be yours if you get selected or if you win. We're going to give it away. All right. So like the video, thumbs it up, drop your comments below. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. You may have a chance to win the plugin. All right, this your homie Bigg Vic, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Until the next video, always hustle, never stop growing, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.